This little dog is really responsible. Always attentive to everything, he really seems to take the role of babysitter seriously. Here comes the dog with a fresh manicure. The little girl decided that he also needed a runway look.
Look at the little cuddle.
Just watch what this dog does to make his little friend happy. Every little girl would dream of a dog like this. When the sock hides under the bed, here comes the dog into action. A four-legged superhero who brings happiness back to the child. This little dog has a special talent, rocking her little friend's cradle like a true master of relaxation. Who needs a lullaby when you have such an adorable puppy?
She won't get out. Say, get out. Come on, Millie. Millie, come. Come on. Come on. Millie, come. You just stay there.
This little dog has a special talent, rocking her little friend's cradle like a true master of relaxation. Who needs a lullaby when you have such an adorable puppy? With this cat rocking the baby's chair, nap time becomes a dream full of adventures. These two friends can't wait for Dad to arrive to kick off another day of adventures. With the baby lying next to him, the dog snuggles up to the crib, making his little friend feel safe and loved. This little dog is the perfect companion, ready to cuddle its little friend while they enjoy a moment of sweet relaxation.